And welcome to Lakeshore Academy. I'm going to show you the inside of the Thinking Tree Nature Study and Outside Science Journal. Let's go ahead and get started. This book is designed for you to do a lot of thinking about the things that's all around you. So you have like 10 think about questions that you're going to use in order to do the activities that's inside this journal. The first page is a nature hunt, and it gives you or explains to you that it may take you a whole year in order for you to find all these pictures. Basically, what you do is you look at the pictures that's on this corresponding page, and you go outside and try to find the things that are in this picture. And then after you find it, you color it. And it says be patient, it could take a whole year. These are the 9 interesting books about animals and nature that you pick to go along with the books, whatever books that you choose, and then you write down the titles, and then you can do additional books and documentaries on the corresponding page. Here you bring some nature into your home, make a nature study basket, list the animals that live in your area, and find 10 small things in your yard and make a nature collection. So you're outside doing hands-on things. So you have reading time, and you color this picture, and you draw my food and habitat. Here, this is a study of the clouds. And it says study the clouds and the weather. On this page, it says draw the clouds and the weather. So here, I will have my children draw a description of each cloud along with the names. Here, you choose a plant. For spelling time, you choose a plant or an animal, and you draw it below. And then you use that 5 words that has the same letters as that plant or that particular animal. And then you do the changing of the seasons with spring, summer, winter, and autumn. And then you draw your favorite insect on this page, and then you do some research on that particular insect that you like. Here you write a nature notes, quotes, or poetry, and you write what you see outside. This book is geared towards being outside, exploring, and really taking in nature around you. And this is a feature of this book that I really, really like. It tells you to use a camera to take pictures of nature. So what you would do, you would look at these various pictures dealing with nature, and then you will try to find those same pictures and try to duplicate the pictures that you see. And then on the corresponding page, you'll print those photos and place them on this page right here. Again, we have another collect 10 small things. Here is an August poem, and then you write about it. This is learning about nature, this page, and weather and animals in the different continents. So you will write this study about a particular continent, and then you will write the animals that's indigenous to that particular continent. Here is plants of the world. You will use the map. Say, for example, you color in that you want to do this area. You will find plants and animals, or no, just find plants that are in that particular area. This is the learn how to draw section, more reading time, habitat, and towards the back, this section pretty much repeats itself, but to the back I want to show you how it actually has a pretty neat feature, if I can find it. Of course, it has movie time. Or maybe this is not the, oh yeah, yes it is. It has learn more about trees, so you learn about the cycle of the tree. It talks about animal tracks, so you're trying to identify those animal tracks. One cool thing that I'm going to do with my kids with this, like if we see any of these tracks out in our yard, I'm going to use plaster of Paris, pour it inside the tracks, and make a mold out of it so that they can actually see the tracks. So it also has butterflies, the process of the monarch butterfly in this book as well. I can't find it as I am doing this live video, but it talks about the monarch butterfly as well. And it has many different drawing features in which you can do. Let me see, can I just do a quick flip through to let you see basically what this book is about. It's a very interesting book that it has drawings, it has geography, it has habitat, it has news, it has tracks, and it has vocabulary, and it focuses on you learning about the seasons and photography. So If you I just want you to see this book to know whether or not you'll be interested in it. This is a very cool, interesting twist on science and very, very fun. And it makes you think outside the box. So, again, this is Tina from Lakeshore Academy. I hope you enjoyed this review. Bye.